Add a heading and type in China. Go to Canvas and choose Anton. Increase the size of your text and position it properly. Now head over to share and copy this to your clipboard. That's basically to download it. So once you're done, delete this original image and bring in your new text. Go to apps and search for shape cutout. Choose the page you're working on and click on export. Simply tap on each of the letters just like so. Scroll down, cut out and add to design. Delete your original text and bring in your cutout image. Simply resize like so. Now go to upload and bring in the image you want to use for this poster. Increase the size of your image to cover your Canva. Go to layers and move your image behind your cutout text. Now let's try to cover up this white area. It doesn't really look good for this graphic design. So we are simply going to increase the size of our text. So increase the size of your text. Good, this covers it properly. Duplicate your image. Remove the background of your duplicate image. Now go to element and search for China summer flowers. Choose this one. Place it on top of the cutout text, duplicate and place it to the other end. Go to layers and move the flowers behind the cutout text. Go back to element and choose this flower. Simply place it on top of the cutout text, go to layers and move it behind. And it gives this effect of highlighting a China historical building with its flowers. And once you're done adjusting, here is the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe, like, and share.